This is the Mazda KJ-Z6 supercharged oil pump, and this is the complete teardown. So this is the flange for the oil strainer. The rotor gears inside will suck the oil through here. You will see this part will enlarge. It goes through here and then it will close, making oil pressure, and goes through this hole to this oil feed for the engine and this oil feed for the vacuum pump. And excess oil pressure will push the piston down. This is the piston. It will go against the spring, and excess oil pressure will vent out again here. So this is the piston of the oil pressure regulator or the control plunger. It's still in perfect condition. From the side, it's still smooth. And the spring. And this is the blind plug. Okay. And this is the crank angle sensor bolt.